Visions, the place where the airport never truly sleeps and every moment on the tarmac feels like being part of a living, breathing machine. This channel is built around the simple joy of welcoming airplanes, but trust us, there is nothing simple about it. From the first rumble of engines in the distance to the final wood chock placed at the gate, our days and nights are filled with movement, sound, lights, and stories that most people never get to see. Here, giant aircraft don't just arrive and depart, they make grand entrances, slow dramatic exits, and sometimes steal the show entirely. At Airport Hub Visions, we get up close with these massive metal giants as they glide in with confidence, line up with precision, and roll past us like celebrities on the red carpet. One moment we're guiding an aircraft into position, the next we're checking doors, inspecting tires, refueling wings that stretch wider than buildings, or waving goodbye as another flight disappears into the sky. It's hard not to smile when you're surrounded by machines this powerful, this loud, and this beautifully engineered, even after a long night shift when coffee becomes your co-pilot. What really keeps us going, though, is the atmosphere. There's something special about watching the airport change moods. From the quiet glow of runway lights at midnight, to the golden chaos of sunrise when flights stack up and the day officially begins. We laugh, we focus, we hustle, and sometimes we just pause for a second to appreciate where we are. Everyone gets to work a job where a roaring jet engine is background music, and a successful departure feels like a small personal victory. This channel is our way of sharing that world with you, not the polished travel commercials, but the real behind-the-scenes life, the teamwork, the routine checks, the unexpected moments, and the quiet satisfaction of keeping things moving safely and smoothly. We tell these stories with a light heart and a playful tone, because aviation may be serious business, but enjoying the work is part of what makes it great. There are jokes shared on the ramp, tired smiles at the end of a shift, and that shared look when a massive aircraft rolls in, perfectly on center line. If you've ever wondered what it's like to be surrounded by airplanes all night, to watch them come and go while the rest of the city sleeps, or to feel that mix of pride and excitement every time another flight is ready to go, you're exactly who this channel is for. Airport Hub Visions invites you to slow down, look closer, and experience airport life from the inside. Stay with us, enjoy the moments, and let these incredible machines pull you back for the next arrival.